Today, I'll walk you through how to manage tasks in Google Calendar, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and manage your tasks so you can stay organized and boost your productivity. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com in the address bar. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface, just look for the familiar calendar layout. Once you're in Google Calendar, locate the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on that button. This will open a new menu where you can add various events and tasks. In the menu that appears, click on Task. This option allows you to create a new task. Specifically, think of it as setting a reminder for something important you need to accomplish. Now it's time to customize your task details. You can enter a title for your task, set a due date, and even add notes if necessary. This is similar to writing a to-do list, but with the added benefit of being integrated into your calendar, making it easier to keep track of everything in one place. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on Save. This will finalize your task and add it to your calendar, just like sealing an envelope before sending a letter. If you need to make changes or manage your task later, simply hover over the left pane of your screen and look for the task icon. Clicking on this icon will show you all your existing tasks. Here you can easily make changes, update details, or check off tasks once they are completed. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your workload manageable and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. And there you have it. Managing tasks in Google Calendar is straightforward and can significantly enhance your organization skills. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.